Mentakasingi kinongpanya ya ka Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University kilawan sa Shillong ban pentip pajba bakadon katay ka school ba ha Punjab kabla seng da ka sarkar Punjab. U Dr. Manjit Bansal Director habakran hakilat pathay khubor mentakasingi ha Shillong Press Club laong bakane kaday ka school ba kabla seng da ka sarkar Punjab bat hakane ka jaka Pule kidon ki jajing Pule katkum ka jingdon kam kane ka jok ka bamenta. Kabakham long kerpang hakane ka school ba kaladon ka jingyate bat ki school ba jong ki weipat ki ri jong ka perthai kum ka USA, Australia, Canada bat ki wei ki ri Europe baki Samla Pule kin Pule shipor hakate ka jaka Pule bat nangta lada ki kwa ban let shabari ru kila lengba kane ka school ba. Haba phai she ki Samla kane ka than sha taila mingi jong ka ri India laong na ki hajar ngut ki Samla Pule ki badon hakate ka school ba na kaneka than sa tay lamingi jong kari India ki ba Pule ki don palat shispa ngot na ka benta ki Samla Pule kaneka than kadon ka jingmang baybamru ka ba kerpang.
We are here to request you to put our ideas to the public so that they come to know whatever facilities we have. It being a government university, it is 100% university of the state. So any money coming to the university is audited by the government. So your money, your kid is very safe in this university campus. We have around 56 colleges that are affiliated to us, 5 constituent colleges and 1 we have in the university campus college. So these colleges, we have different types of courses, specialized courses that will be of great help to this state. That includes food technology, agriculture, pharmacy, aeronautical engineering, aeronautical with some management courses. So these are the coming trends in the society. Then all of you will be having a question in your mind, why being a state university you have come here. We are here to highlight the universities, and as today's world is very small for education, people are traveling very far. As the kids of this Meghalaya state travel to Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore for education. Similarly, in our state, our kids are traveling abroad. Lot of kids are going to US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK and other European countries. So to meet that demand of those students, we have even gone in for the foreign collaboration with those universities abroad. What is the collaboration? There we have 2+2 scheme, 3+2 scheme. 2+2 scheme means study 2 years here, 2 years in that university, you are given the university degree of that and this university also. You can get a work permit there also. 3+2 means you study here 3 years, 2 years there, you are given bachelor's and master's degree. By this, one thing is that by the time of 2 or 3 years studying in this professional college, the child get grown up, mature, and he is able to stay with himself and parents are a bit comfortable. Second is the cost factor reduces. That is, if you are going in by 2+2 scheme, it is reduced by 60%.
So for Northeast students, we have Ishan Vijay, we have Ishan Vikas and Ishan Uday scholarship schemes, which is applicable to our university. Because both these schemes, Ishan Vijay and Ishan Uday, so university 12F and 2F and 12G, these are required, and our university has both the applicability 2G and 12F. Clear? So these Northeast students which want to avail these two scholarships, which are specially for Northeast students, so our university is eligible for these scholarships from Government of India. One thing. Second thing is, as explained by also Registrar Sir, that we have the latest courses which is the demand of this area, like textile engineering, agriculture engineering, and other engineering branches, and food science, clear, and then pharmaceutical sciences, all, and aeronautical engineering. One of the main course which some students have interest, aeronautical engineering. One of our campus at Patiala that have aeronautical engineering, and which is in collaboration with the running model of the aeroplane.